Hi, my YouTube family. This is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today, we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, this is Melody. I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today, we're going to do ragi flour bread. Now, this is called millet, finger millet, and this does not have any gluten, so this bread is like a little bit crispy and crunchy. But the only purpose to eat this bread is a lot of people cannot eat the wheat, so they can go to another option like ragi if they have desire to eat some bread, and if they have taken out bread from their life. So this is another option. So what I do with this is I'm going to soak this ragi in enough water and make it a batter like pancake, and I make it less like pancake, but this becomes very hard and crispy, but it's okay. You can eat it with some curry because it doesn't have any taste. So you can eat it with some curry. So I usually make cabbage curry and then the ragi bread, and it tastes really good. It doesn't have any taste, so you can eat it with anything you wish. So I'm gonna show you step by step how to do ragi. Now there are many variations how people do. Some people do mix little bit of wheat flour to give that stickiness to make it a bread, but I don't do it. I just make it just like pancake, and even though it doesn't have any of the gluten, so it doesn't become like pancake, it becomes like chips, very hard, but it's okay because it's food after all. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you. So you see I have the ragi flour on a bowl, and I'm going to add sufficient water to make it a batter just like a pancake mix. Okay, so now if you like egg you can put egg, but I don't add egg or anything in it, just plain. So that's up to you, whatever you want to add. So let me make it the batter and then I'll show you. So you can see I have the batter and I put little bit of flaxseed powder in it. This is the whole flaxseed powder, ground flaxseed powder. So I put about 1 tablespoon because it's a lot of batter. And here I have my 1 teaspoon of oil heating up, and my flame is this low. So your flame has to be very low, not high, okay? No, we're not trying to burn it, we're trying to cook it slowly. So now I'm going to put just few scoop of this. So you just spread it around, but you don't get too much spread like the pancake mix or the bread, you know, because it does not have the sticky thing, it does not have gluten. So now you let it cook in low heat, and it's going to cook, and you see it's going to come out like crispy chips, and then we turn the other side. But basically we cook one side, other side we keep it like 2-3 minutes, but let it cook and don't rush the process. And few things to remember: be patient, cook it patiently. Second thing, your flame should be very low. This is at low, this is off, low. It's very low. So like this. Now we're going to cook it until it's done. That might take 5 or 10 minutes. We'll just be patient and wait. So you see this is one side is done, and I flip it to the other side. I'm going to cook the other side 1 or 2 minutes, and flame is still very low, and then I'll show you on the plate. So here's the ragi roti. It will look very cracked up because it does not have any gluten, so it cannot hold on to the shape or the structure. But this is what ragi roti is, and it's just the millet. And here's my cabbage curry. So that's the lunch: ragi roti, cabbage curry. You can make it lunch, dinner. Now I'm not going to say that it tastes awesome, but I'm going to say it doesn't have any taste, and it's really good. It's gluten free. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you with many more. Bye bye. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.